you're a little frustrated with the performance of the stock because you think, hey, we beat the number and we didn't give particularly bad guidance. Although I'm seeing some Wall Street analysts say, well, they didn't like the guidance, particularly weakness, they say, in Red Dead Redemption.
So we crushed the quarter. We had great results across the board, and we issued an outlook for the full year that says we'll have a record year in terms of net bookings and cash flow provided by operations. We sold 23 million units of Red Dead Redemption. It's a massive hit. We're having another record year for NBA 2K19. Everything is firing across all cylinders, including NBA 2K Online in China, which now has 43 million registered users. Recurrent consumer spending on the title was up more than double in the quarter. So it really is great news across the board. Having crushed the third quarter, we adjusted our expectations for the fourth quarter to reflect a record year. And the fourth quarter implicit guidance, therefore, is less than consensus.
Right. The quarter's total bookings beat was relatively modest, says Goldman Sachs, compared to the magnitude of the RCS beat. They go on to say as well that there were headwinds from Red Dead Redemption 2.
The enormous tailwinds. Right?
Enormous tailwinds, so they got it wrong.
In that instance, totally wrong. We've shipped vastly more than our expectation. The outlook is great.
I mean, but if you look at the EA, I mean, they cut their revenue guidance. I know it's a completely different company, but the market appears to be telling a story of challenging gaming environment right now and taking down all the multiples. Why is that?
We don't see it at all. At the end of the day, entertainment businesses are driven entirely by their release schedule, and all of our releases are working really well. So I don't like to argue with the market. Market conditions are market conditions. At the end of the day, if we deliver, we do well. If we fail to deliver, we don't. We are not seeing any competitive headwinds at all as long as we deliver great quality. Red Dead Redemption 2 is a 97 Metacritic score, tied Grand Theft Auto 5, and all of our products are performing. NBA 2K19 is set to achieve another record this year.
We, a couple of weeks ago, got this warning from NVIDIA, though, that also perhaps concerned people because they talked about selling fewer chips into China, particularly for gaming. You're not seeing weakness in China?
No, not at all. The approvals have opened up again in China. Asia is a really important growth area for us, and we're gratified that approvals are starting up again. And as I said, NBA 2K Online in China, which is the #1 PC sports title, which is our title in a partnership with Tencent, just saw its revenue double in the quarter.